If your iPhone battery feels weaker or you're worried apps might be tracking more than you realize, this video is your quick fix. Today, I'm breaking down 8 iPhone settings you need to turn off to boost battery life, speed up your phone, and tighten your privacy, all without breaking anything important. Let's dive in. Background app. App refresh. Head to settings. General. Background, app refresh, and turn it off. Most apps don't need to keep running in the background, and turning this off instantly reduces battery drain and stops apps from updating when you're not using them. Email, fetching, and push mail. Go to settings. Arrow, mail arrow, accounts, arrow fetch, new data. Turn push off and set fetch to manual. This stops your email app from constantly checking for updates, which can seriously drain battery. You can still refresh manually anytime. Location services, overuse open settings. Privacy, location services. Switch most apps to while using or even never if they don't actually need your location. Then scroll down to system services and turn off location-based ads, iPhone analytics, and significant locations. These run in the background and track where you go, so turning them off boosts both privacy and battery. Analytics and advertising, tracking and settings. Privacy, analytics and improvements. Turn everything off. Then go to Apple advertising and toggle personalized ads off. This limits how much diagnostic and behavioral data is shared behind the scenes. Safari, privacy settings. Head to settings, arrow Safari. Under privacy and security, turn on prevent cross-site tracking and hide IP address. These stop websites and advertisers from following you around the web or identifying your device. App privacy report in settings. Privacy report, switch it on. This lets you see exactly which apps access your camera, microphone, location, and more. After a day or two, check the report. You might be shocked. Unnecessary notifications go into settings. Notifications. Turn off alerts for apps you barely use. Not only does this reduce distraction, but it also cuts down on background processes. Background app tracking, open settings. Privacy, tracking. Turn off allow apps to request to track. This blocks apps from asking to track your activity across other apps and websites. And there you go. 8 simple settings that can make your iPhone faster, safer, and longer lasting in just a few minutes. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know which setting shocked you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.